Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Google Meet to Outlook. This is perfect if we use Outlook for scheduling but want to host meetings on Google Meet. Let's get started. On your browser, open Google Meet and then your Outlook. On the Outlook dashboard, click the button that says Enhance Outlook with Apps. This lets us add plugins. Once we click this, the Get Add-ins window will open. Here, we can search for add-ins. We will search for Google Meet. In the list, we can see the Google Meet add-in. Click Add. Once it's added, it will start to install. When it's ready, we can start adding Google Meet to our emails. Let's close this window and look at an example. Now, let's try composing an email. Click the Add Enhanced button. We should now see Google Meet. Click Google Meet. From here, we can add a meeting. It's simple. Choose Add Meeting Now, then allow access. Sign in with your Google account and continue. That's it. Google Meet is now added to Outlook, and we can schedule meetings easily across both platforms.